Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, Teo. I'm Sarah, your go-to for all things AI, and joining me is my co-host Mike.
Hey Sarah, I'm really excited to dive into today's stories. How's everything with you?
Doing well, thanks. We have a lot to cover today, from AI innovations to funding updates. Let's jump right in.
Sounds good. What's up first?
First up, we have news from Google DeepMind. They're enforcing non-compete agreements for their UK employees, especially senior ones. These contracts can last up to a year, but they do include pay during this period.
That's interesting. Why is this causing controversy?
Well, it limits career mobility in the competitive AI field. Employees might feel trapped, unable to move to other opportunities that could further their careers.
I can see how that would be a concern. What's next on our list?
Google has also launched the second edition of its Google for Startups Accelerator in India. This program targets app-based startups working with AI, offering them mentorship and support to scale their businesses.
That sounds like a great opportunity for startups. When do applications close?
Applications are due by May 15th, and the program kicks off in July. It's backed by Google Play and the MeitY Startup Hub.
Very cool. What else is Google up to?
They're integrating multimodal search into Google Search through AI mode. This means you can now search using images and get more detailed results.
Wow, that's going to change how we look up information, right?
Definitely. It enhances the search experience by allowing users to interact with the search results in new ways.
What about Cloudflare? I heard they are doing something interesting too.
Yes, they are. Cloudflare is rolling out new products to boost AI agent development, including simplified server authentication and session hibernation. Plus, they've acquired Outerbase to help developers create AI-enabled applications.
Sounds like a lot of tech upgrades. How does this benefit developers?
It makes building and integrating AI solutions more straightforward and accessible, which is always a plus for innovation.
Moving on, what's happening with Meta?
Meta has been addressing concerns about their Llama 4 model training. There were allegations of using benchmark test sets, which they've dismissed, clarifying that only an experimental version was used for tests.
That's quite the drama. Why is benchmark transparency so important?
It ensures fair comparisons between AI models and maintains trust in AI research.
Got it. And I hear there's some exciting news from India?
Yes, Kasho, a Bangalore-based startup, raised 11 crore in seed funding. They're using AI for video telematics to enhance road safety, already operational in over 35 cities.
That's a significant impact. Anything happening in the semiconductor space?
The Vinod Dham Center of Excellence was inaugurated at Delhi Technological University. It aims to boost semiconductor R&D in India, reducing reliance on imports.
That sounds like a big step for the tech industry in India. What's Kyndryl up to?
They're collaborating with Dr. Reddy's laboratories to transform their IT infrastructure, aiming to automate 60% of manual IT tasks.
Automation can really improve efficiency. And what's the latest from IBM?
IBM launched the Z17 mainframe, supporting over 250 AI use cases and performing up to 450 billion inference operations per day. They also acquired Hakoda to enhance their AI consulting services.
That's a powerhouse of a system. How about Rescale?
Rescale secured $115 million in Series D funding to expand their computing platform and integrate with NVIDIA's DGX Cloud.
Impressive funding. And what about Shopify?
Shopify is pushing for an AI-first work culture, asking teams to justify hiring by proving AI can't do the task. AI skills will now be part of performance reviews.
That's a bold move. What new startup should we be on the lookout for?
Thinking Machines Lab, founded by Meera Marathi, is recruiting top talent and seeking significant funding to develop customizable AI systems.
Exciting times. And I hear Snapchat is doing something with AI too?
Yes, they've launched sponsored AI lenses, allowing users to insert selfies into AI-generated scenes, enhancing brand engagement.
That's a fun way to interact with ads. And what's Amazon up to?
Amazon launched Novasonic, a generative AI model for voice applications, along with an upgrade to their AI video model, Nova Real 1.1.
That's a lot of innovation. Any updates from the autonomous vehicle world?
Waymo is using robotaxi data to train AI models, aiming for personalized advertising, though it raises privacy concerns.
Privacy is always a tricky issue. And finally, what's this about a government inquiry?
U.S. senators are probing cloud computing partnerships between Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic over potential anti-competitive practices.
Always important to keep markets fair. Anything else before we wrap up?
Just a couple of quick notes. Deep Route AI is collaborating with Qualcomm on affordable driver assistance systems, and Samsung reported a slight drop in Q1 profits, but is optimistic about future chip developments.
Lots of developments. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for guiding us through, Sarah.
My pleasure, Mike. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Stay curious, and we'll catch you next time on Teo.
Bye, everyone.